I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sunny-side-up eggs in the microwave. This method is incredibly fast, taking just about 1 minute, making it perfect for busy mornings. First, you must always use a microwave-safe container. Crucially, pierce the egg yolk and white 4 or 5 times with a fork to prevent the egg from exploding due to steam buildup. This simple step ensures a safe and clean cooking experience. Now let's get your egg ready for cooking. Begin by lightly spraying your microwave-safe dish, such as a ramekin or small bowl, with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Next, carefully crack 1 large egg into the center of the dish, being sure not to break the yolk. Finally, add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple preparations ensure your egg cooks beautifully and releases easily. It's time to cook your egg. Place your prepared dish into the microwave. For a typical 1000-watt microwave, cook on high power for about 45 seconds. After this time, check if the egg white is set and opaque, while the yolk remains soft and slightly jiggly. If the white is not fully set, continue microwaving in short 15-second bursts until it reaches your desired consistency. Once cooked, carefully remove your egg from the microwave. Let it stand for about 30 seconds. This allows residual heat to finish cooking without overdoing it. Remember, microwave wattages vary, so you might need to adjust cooking times slightly for your specific appliance. Enjoy your perfectly cooked sunny-side-up egg immediately on a piece of toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.